Hola, my beautiful people. How is everybody doing? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's happening? What's up? What's up? What's happening? What's up? Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Celine. Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe before you like. It's absolutely free. It's free, like zero. There's zero charge to it. Like, I won't charge you and YouTube won't charge you. So please join my family. Subscribe. It's that cute little red button. Well, it's not so little, but that cute button that is just there at the bottom. It's just as easy as ABC. Click it and you're subscribed. And when you subscribe, don't forget to click the bell button just beside the subscribe button so you can always get notifications on whenever I post up a video, because we are on some good vibe, good vibe. Nothing but love and good vibes on these YouTube streets. So please subscribe. I am begging you guys. I know a lot of you who are subscribed to me already don't even get notifications. So please click that bell button so you can always get notifications on whenever I post up a video. Tell your mama, tell your sisters. If your brothers are interested in my kind of content, tell them too. You know, bring everybody in the family. Let's have a like shindig and just sit around by the fire and just watch me. I'm sorry, I'm just hyped this afternoon. So anyways guys, to the video of the day. So for my video today, I am going to be trying out somebody's foundation and contour routine. So I've done the Scott Barnes own and I did the Jessica Alba Vogue zone. So for today's video, I'm going to be following a YouTuber's foundation and contour routine, and this YouTuber is no other person than Tailor Jane. So I've been following her on Instagram and on YouTube for quite some time now, and yeah, so I think sometime this year she posted up her much talked about or much loved foundation and contour routine. So yeah, I think a lot of people requested it, so yeah, she posted it up, and I'm just going to, I was supposed to do this video since, but you know, I had so many other videos that came up before it, so yeah, we're doing it now. So I am going to be trying this contour and foundation and contour routine right now, and yeah, when I watched this video, it kind of gave me like the similarities with like Scott Barnes own. Like, there's just the similarity is just so much. But anyways, yeah, I'm just going to do it her way, and let's see how it looks. You know, with the Scott Barnes one, it was nice. Like, it gave me this kind of flawless canvas, but man, the amount of concealer, Lord have mercy. So but anyways, let's see how Tailor Jane's own goes. You know, she's a sister like me, so we follow. So anyways, if you guys would like to see how I follow or try out her foundation and contour routine, you know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay guys, so I am back. So we're about to start this tutorial. I have the video here. I'm just going to, like, I'm not going to say anything. I'm just going to like play the video here. You know, the same way I did Scott Barnes zone, you know. I'm just going to play the video here so for you guys to see everything while I am going to be looking at my laptop and following her tutorial here. So yeah, but before I start, I'm just going to go off camera to like prep my skin, and yeah, so I will see you guys soon.
Let's go ahead and prime our skin, of course. I always go in my Milk Makeup primer because it honestly just grips the product so good. It gives your face like a tacky feeling. So when you put your product down, honestly, all it does is just like, it holds your product in place. On the back of our finger, I just use one little pump, put it on my forehead, and in my eyes, and I'm just rubbing the rest of it like throughout my face. So let's go ahead and get straight into skin, because that's what we do. I jump straight into skin. I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I like to use the MAC 190 brush. This brush just gives my product really flat on my skin. Helps me distribute the product evenly throughout my face. I only use like one pump, like one and a half pumps. Everything that I do to one side, I'm always gonna do on the other side. If I do 3 on top, I'm gonna do 3 on bottom. I'm gonna brush it on the side of my nose a bit, so when I do that contour and that concealer, it just blends in. Then we just put it on my forehead. That's it, y'all. That's it for foundation. Now I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape and tan sand because I really love a bright under eye. I'm gonna go in and I'm not gonna put so much. That's all I'm gonna put for the tan sand. That's good, you see that? And then we're gonna take our deep right around that. Just a little bit, like I scraped my brush, the wand of it. You see how it comes like that? I scraped it. Whatever's left is what we're gonna put on. That's how flat it is. When I be telling y'all I'm not using a lot of product, like I be serious. Like it looks like, it may look like a lot of product, but it don't be. Well, to me it don't be. You know, some people might be like, girl, bye. That is a lot of product. All right, and then we're just gonna go down the nose. So for contour, I want it to be a little softer, so I'm gonna just go straight in with the 210. And I feel like that's enough. I haven't been contouring my jaw lately. I don't know why I did in the last video. But it's alright. That's enough. There you go. That's enough, sis. And with the foundation one, you just start by patting all over where that foundation is and blending it out. And I just like to tap. So I go in and I tap. I push it into the skin. That's literally all I'm doing. I go fast, so it may look like I'm doing, I don't know what it may look like I'm doing, because honestly it looks like I'm tapping. But for some it may look like I'm swiping or whatever. But I'm literally just going in and like tapping right there. I'm gonna take a little bit more to cover this little blemish right here. Let me take it on the tip of my brush. It was like a very, very little bit. Just like that. I'm just tapping everywhere I put that foundation. Y'all see how this is just blending so smoothly? Is because I'm honestly just like, I didn't use a lot of product, so there's not much to blend. And then I just went in like and I tapped this too. I tap all of my products. And when you let your products dry down a bit, it already kind of like melts into the skin and it's already warmed up a bit. So when you go to blend, you don't really have to do a lot of work, honestly. Like I put my foundation on first, and then after putting my foundation on, I put my under eye concealer on and then my contour on. The contour is not gonna dry because it's cream, but the foundation and the concealer dries. So by the time I'm done putting everything on and I go to blend out that foundation, it's already dried down. So it's easy to blend and make it look, you know, airbrushed on the skin because you let it dry down a lot. Do y'all like this zoomed in, like how good it is? Like how good it's zoomed in right now? I mean, like how close it is? Well, I couldn't say how good it is. How do I know if y'all think it's good? But do y'all like how close it is? Like, I like it, but I don't know. I be thinking like sometimes it may be a little too close. But it also lets you see in detail and see like up close everything that I'm doing. And you guys get like the real playtime of how it looks. I'm gonna go around this nose because this is the part that most people miss. Don't let that product cake up right here. Blend that out. I made that mistake on one of my clients and I could tell in her pictures and I felt so bad. I don't know, I don't have to move my nose to do it. I normally just do this. You feel me? But for some people, you might just have to move your nose, okay? Yeah, see how it's going and I tap. I think I've pretty much found the products that I want to keep in my daily rotation, okay? Y'all see this coming together? I'm just blending down this nose contour because it's starting to nose. We're gonna blend out this concealer right here. Y'all see how this is just like blending and it's like looking full coverage? It's because I let it dry down. And I'm not gonna put an extra dot today like I usually. I might. Let me shut up and stop lying. I'm I'm looking down into my mirror, making sure that it's blended. Because ain't nobody got time for that, okay? And then you want to make sure it's all even on the nose, because if you leave it like that on the nose where it looked like loop, your nose don't look contoured like that. So you always want to take your concealer over and make sure everything's even. All right, I'm gonna scrape the wand again, and I'm gonna put one dot. And I'm gonna actually take this dot, I'm gonna scrape the wand again, like all clear. I'm gonna take this dot and I'm gonna spread it out. Only so. And I'm gonna take this down my nose. This is how you get the snatched nose. Make it real thin on the top of your nose. You wanna make it real thin. He does it when it, like all the powder's on and it's dry. I'm just gonna take my fingers and I'm gonna kind of like blend down this contour to give it like that pinched effect. Just like that. And then we're gonna blend out this side. Now that it's dry down enough. And this just make the under eye bags look lifted. When I stack product in one spot, it honestly looks like it just lifts my under eye bags in that one area. Use airbrush dish. All right, so let's go in there with that powder before this under eye starts to crease, because I have creasy, you can conceal, you can hide it as much as possible. But if you have under eye creases, they're gonna show. I'm just setting everywhere we put this concealer, and I'm just taking the brush and I'm just patting. And this is just a Sasha setting powder. And as you can tell, I take it and I dust it, and whatever's left on the brush, as y'all can see what's left on the brush, I take it and I just push it into the skin and I move it around. I don't ever want to push the same product in one spot. Like, it's just going to build that powder up. If you push it, put it on your skin and then start moving it around, that powder is going to move. Believe it or not, that powder will move. It's not going to just sit there. Because it's loose powder. It's going to move, y'all. I'm just tapping this right over all that concealer. Anywhere that we put concealer is getting set. I'm gonna bake a little bit, just like right here, just to make this under eye look a little more lifted. So the reason why I bake is so that this under eye just looks more lifted. Like, to help with those bags being more hidden. All right, so I'm just tapping everywhere we put that highlight, that concealer. We just tapping that powder right on top of it. Y'all definitely don't have to bake. If you're not a baker, you don't have to bake. I didn't used to bake ever. I just got into like baking like a couple months ago. But if you watch all my old videos, I ain't never baked before. I'm just going over this nose and just setting it. However, when you set it, you don't want to just set it like and just let that powder go everywhere. Y'all see how I set it literally right on the concealer? And when it's like too much, I go on the sides and I just like dust it off. And it in a way sets this contour on his nose. If y'all don't want to go back over it with powder to make it darker, you can do it just like that and leave it there. So I like to use this MAC powder if I want like a more subtle contour, like this color here. I like to go in with more of a subtle color, and I'm just going in circular motions. You could tap it on first if you want to. If that's a preference, you could tap it on first and then kind of like blend it out. And this is just a Morphe M437 brush. It's like a rounded dome, like it's very stiff brush. So it really packs that product on if that's what you're looking for. Of course, go in with some blush. So I'm gonna choose between these two colors. I might go in between the two colors, honestly. Lightly tap. I like to sweep like a brush, like a broom. When you sweep your floor, I like to sweep my cheeks. So the skin.
So guys, she's doing her eyebrows now. So the only thing I'm just getting from her eyebrow tutorial is just the adding of powder to the brows. So I'm just going to like quickly go off camera and do my own brows, so this video isn't long. So I'll see you guys after my brows.
Setting brush. This isn't the powder, the brush I normally use. I would normally use the same brush that I did my highlight with. I mean my blush with. But honestly, like, the brush has a lot of blush on it. So I like to tap and swipe. I never just go in and swipe, even after baking, because I just feel like it makes my under eye skin look scaly. Into this Fenty mascara because, for one, first let's spray our face, because I don't like spraying my face after I put mascara on. And that's just the Morphe Continuous Mist Setting Spray. All right.
Okay guys, so I am done with the foundation and contouring a routine from Tailor Made Jean, and I quite like it. It's nice. It's somewhat similar to Scott Barnes's routine, but yeah, like, it's not bad, you know, the whole more concealer, less foundation type routine, but I actually like it. It's quite, the routine is actually very nice. So I'm just gonna finish up my entire makeup, or the rest of my makeup, then I'm gonna come back and wrap up this video. I'm gonna tell you all the things that I like about the routine and the things I don't like towards the end. So I will see you guys real soon. Hi guys, so I am back. I am done with my full face of makeup. Sorry, my lighting has changed a little bit. It's about to rain and the weather is kind of getting dull and dark, so yeah, excuse the weather now. So anyways, this is my full face complete with the whole Tailor Made Jean foundation and yeah, contour. So I quite like it. Like, the concealer is not as heavy as you know, the Scott Barnes own. Like, it's not as much as the Scott Barnes own. And yeah, at the point in time you saw in my face, the concealer like had completely dried up. Like, it was so annoying. Like, her own was still looking, you know, pliable, like she could still blend it, but mine had dried up, so I had to like spray my brush to actually help the foundation move. But yeah, so far so good. It's actually not bad. Like, you know, it's more of the more concealer, less foundation type vibe, just like the Scott Barnes one. So I quite like it. It's actually not bad. Will I continue or will I try it again? No. My goodness, like, with all this whole processes, like, the blending just feels like you are going to blend away your life. Like, I'm not sure, maybe like on a special occasion I might try it again, but for my normal routine I think I will just stick to what I do. But yeah, it's actually not bad. Like, my face actually looks good. Hello, glow. Ooh, yes, honey. So guys, this is my tutorial for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The makeup tutorial for this will be either next, or I don't know, but there's a makeup tutorial for this. But yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, and yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Is this foundation routine something that you would try out? Would you try it out? But yeah, she says it's for beginners, so hey, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
No, original. Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Just say no, 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 no.